Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use the vehicle to load adapter on MG Marvel R. So let's get the cars turned on. So this is the vehicle load adapter, or V2L adapter. This is what I bought from AliExpress. This is not a paid video, so nobody have paid me to do this. I bought this one because it was very cheap and I didn't want to pay a lot for the original or the MG adapter. This one was, I forgot the price, but I think it was around 30 or 40 euros. And it came actually surprisingly very fast. It took around 12 days or maybe 10 days. 10 days, I think. So this is the adapter and it's pretty simple to use it. You have to plug this in your car. So this is for AC charging. So you plug it in and you have to go to settings on your MG Marvel R info system here, and then it will start to discharge. And when you press this start to discharge, you can charge your phone, your laptop, your I don't know, cooking devices. I have read this MG Marvel R produce around 2,500 W, so that's watt. So first of all, I'm gonna attach this to the car and I'll be right back. Open the AC charger and plug it in. It's actually very well built, so it's pretty easy. There you go. Actually, you can see the blue lights on, and then you have to go to the setting on your info system here. It says here this charger connector connected, so you have to press this battery or energy button, and then you say start discharging. As soon as I press start discharging, it is actually locked, but you can see here I have put it to 40. You can get down to 20%, and I have already 58% left in my car. So let's just start discharging. When I press start discharging and when it's connected, it will flash blue right there. Sorry for the car. The flashing blue light means it's on. So you have to connect your charger or whatever you have available to, or whatever you want to charge. In my case, I have a phone charger right now, so I'm gonna put it here. It's very hard to do with one hand, but there you go. I think it's connected. So I'm gonna connect the phone to this. Just a second. This is very hard to do with one hand. You can see this one it has 80% charge and it's not charging. So I'm gonna try to connect this on. Come on. There you go. So it says here it's charging and it has 80% left. So there you go. Let me put it here. And I'm gonna try to disconnect the charger. And it's not charging anymore. And try to charge it again. There you go. It's charging again. So this is how you can charge your phone or charge your, actually you're not gonna stay here and charge your phone, but so if you want to unplug it, you cannot just like charge your car. You can't just unplug it here. You have to stop. You have to press stop discharging first. And we'll say preparing and unlock. As soon as unlocked, you can just plug it out and it's not turning blue. I hope you guys like this video, and please like for more videos like this and subscribe. If you guys want to support my account, please be a member on YouTube. Thank you guys.